Hello teachers, welcome back to our channel ClassDuo. In this video we are going to see how to conduct online exam on ClassDuo. Enter your username and your password. Click on login button. Click on create exam. Now here are some sample examination. Let's create the new one. Click on new. Enter the exam name. Exam type. First term quiz 1. Select grade. Select class. Select your subject. Select date and time. Enter your time here. Select exam end time. Click on save button. Click on exam questions. Click on new. Click here. Enter your question. Select the type of question. Select the question order. Enter the question mark. Now here we have two options, true and false, because I chose for true or false. Select the correct answer. Click on save button. Click OK. Add another question. Click on new. Click here. Enter the question. Select the type of question. Enter the question mark. Now click here to new button. Input the answers. Click again to add more options. Click on new to add more options. Click again on new button to add more options. Select the correct one. Click on save button. Click OK. Now let's add another type of question. Click on new. Enter the question here. The type of question is essay type question. Question mark, 2 mark. Now for this particular question, you will not get the options to write the answer. Why so? Because it's essay type question. So you have to manually check it after the students have submit their answers. The joint type of question is under process. So we'll leave it till here. Click OK. Save. Click on OK button. After the students finish their examination, you can check by clicking here. Click on participants. this question has to be corrected by the teacher. Click on correct. Okay, click on participants. We can see that all the answers has been corrected. Thank you for watching the video.